Hi everyone, Brett from Living Whole here. Today we're going to show you how to replace the cartridge for the Sprite high output shower filter. Very simple, couple of minute process. Comes in a packet just like this. Really simple. Get it out. Make sure you take off the two ends. Now, I did this one earlier. Just be aware if you end up getting any of the sticky stuff stuck on here, just grab yourself a butter knife or something like that and make sure you scrape those edges off. You don't want that junk going through the shower filter itself. So then it's literally as simple as just unscrewing this part of the shower filter. Let's get this little fella off. And here is the replacement unit. This is the old shower filter. And we're going to replace it with the new one. So what you want to do is you want to make sure that the rubber grommets inside there are still all well and truly in place. That's really simple. Put it in. Now with this particular unit, you're going to get 112,500 litres of filtration or 12 months, whichever one comes sooner. So just work out your average shower usage and you'll be able to see that. The other thing you can do, if you're a bit of a stickler for these things, to increase the quality of the filtration, every month, every couple of months, you can pop it out and spin the cartridge around, slide it back in the other way. That will help increase and increase the longevity of the filter. So just a little tip there. So really simple, slide him in. Get the other unit, make sure the rubber grommet's still back in place and screw back on. And that is as simple as it is.